Our subject for today is mathematics. Topic Lesson number 10 Fractions. Today we are going to learn mixed fractions. So let us learn with the help of few examples. Now here there are two boys, Ajinkya and Rahul, and three laddus have to be shared equally between the two people, that is between Ajinkya and Rahul. Now we do this in two ways. We will start with the first way, the first method. We will divide each laddu equally into two. So the first laddu we will cut into two equal halves, one half for Ajinkya and one half for Rahul. We'll take the second laddu and cut it into two halves. Here again one half for Ajinkya and one half for Rahul. The third laddu also we are going to cut into two equal halves. One half for Ajinkya and one half for Rahul. So now we have equally divided the three laddus among two people, Ajinkya and Rahul. Each of them get half of the laddu. Now we will write the fraction half. The second half, again we will write half, and the third half of the laddu we will write half for Ajinkya. Now for Rahul here also, one half of the laddu of the first laddu, one half of the second laddu, and one half of the third laddu. Now we will remove the laddus. So here we see that each person gets three halves of the laddu. Ajinkya gets three halves of the laddu and Rahul too gets three halves of the laddu. So each person will have half multiplied by 3, that is 3 halves, that is equal to 3 upon 2 laddus. So Ajinkya will get 3 upon 2 laddus. And Rahul also gets 3 halves of the laddus, that is half multiplied by 3, that is 3 upon 2 laddus. So 3 upon 2 laddus for Ajinkya and 3 upon 2 laddus for Rahul. Now here by the second method we are going to see how we will share the 3 laddus equally between two people, that is between Ajinkya and Rahul. So here first we give one laddu to each person, one laddu to Ajinkya, one laddu to Rahul, and we remain with one laddu. Now this we are going to divide into two equal parts. Each part we will give it to one person each. So half laddu for Ajinkya and half laddu for Rahul. Now here for Ajinkya he gets one whole laddu and half laddu. Rahul also gets one whole laddu and one half laddu. We'll remove the laddus now. So each person gets one whole and half laddu. Ajinkya gets one whole and half laddu. Rahul also gets one whole and half laddu. So we will write it as each boy has one whole laddu plus half laddu. Now 1 plus half is also written as 1.5. 1 plus 2 is also written as 1.5. Now in the first method we saw that we shared the laddus, that was 3 upon 2, and second method 1.5. So 3 upon 2 is equal to 1.5. They both get equal share of laddus. Now this fraction 1.5, this is called a mixed fraction. 1.5 is called a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction 1.5.